Oh man, there's so many parts to this. 142, we're going to simplify each of the following radical expressions. So I'm going to go ahead and rewrite these so I have a little bit more space. So for a, I have the square root of a squared b to the power of 5. So it's square root. I'm looking for pairs because I want to see, if I can have two of the same thing. So it looks like I'm going to pull out an a, and I'm looking for pairs. So really what I'm going to do here is b to the power of 4 and b. And then I'm going to split this up into b squared because that pairs up. And I'm left with a little lonely b. So for the first one here, the stuff that I pull out is a and b squared. But then inside the square root, I still have b. For the second one here, I have the cube root of 24. Cube root, I'm looking for groups of 3. So I got 8 here times 3, 4 and 2. I'm breaking it down to its factors here. I have a 2 that I can pull out, and I'm going to have a little lonely 3 on the inside. So pulled out a 2, still got the cube root of 3 on the inside. For C, I have, let me see if I can get some more space here, the cube root of x to the power of 5, y to the power of 6. So x to the power of 5, it looks like I'm just going to kind of use some knowledge that I have having done a lot of math. I'm breaking it up like this because I know that x to the power of 3 gives me a group of 3 here. X to the power of 2, even if I broke it up more, I could not pair up with a group. So I know that this x squared is going to stay on the inside. Whereas y to the power of 6 breaks up into 3 evenly. So I got y squared, and y squared. So for C, I'm going to be pulling out x, y squared, and what's left in is that x squared originally. And last one here for D, I got the fifth root of x to the power of 5, y to the power of 6. This one's going to look ugly, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm looking for groups of 5. Luckily, I have exactly 5 x's, so I'm going to pull out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 1 more than 5 y's. So what that means is I pair up, or I match up 5 of them, and then what's left over is that 1 y. So I pull out the x, I pull out the y, I still have the fifth root of that remaining y for my final answer for D. So there's my 4 answers to take a look at.